Hi, once again, welcome to Varenia's Photon Online Educational Academy for IIT and NEET entrance examination. This is Guntuka Srinivas. This is a free educational channel, especially for the IIT and NEET examinations. In this, we concentrate first on the basic concepts that are required for the IIT and NEET examinations in the physics, chemistry, and mathematics subjects. This channel is very much helpful to the students of 8th standards to the 12th standard. For the 8th standard friends, it may be difficult in the initial level, but slowly they will understand. Because these are advanced topics, so it may take some time for understanding it, but slowly they will understand, and slowly we'll move from the basic concepts to the advanced concepts. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. You will be continuously getting the videos, and we discuss more and more concepts, more and more problems which are required for IIT and NEET examinations. In the previous session, we have seen some numericals related to distance and displacement concepts. Let us see some more numericals also, because if you solve more and more numericals, you will get good practice. Let me take up the first question. A car moves along a track, which turns to its left by an angle of 60 degrees after every 300 meters. Every 300 meters. What is distance and displacement A, third term at the end of the third term, B, sixth term, C, eighth term. Three cases is asked. The car is moving along the track to its left by an angle of 60 degrees after every 300 meters. Be careful, every 300 meters. He is asking distance as well as displacement in three cases: third term, sixth term, eighth term. And figure is given. It says figure is shown. Figure is shown. Clear? Now, let us see the details of the problem. Observe. This is the figure he has provided. A point moving the 300 meters, the B point. Then the dotted lines show straight line. Again, it is going, turning towards left. Again, this is 300 meters. Again, extending this. This is the C point. And with respect to this, again, left, it is turning. Left again, it is turning. up to D. Is turning 60 degrees. Again 300 meters. 60 degrees again 300 meters. Again from the D to E. This is a straight line again. Extended straight line. Again 60 degrees towards left. 300 meters turning. Again, this is extended straight line. Again, 60 degrees. 60 degrees towards left. This is F. Again, this is the extended straight line. Again, 60 degrees. Again, 60 degrees. This coming to the point E. Yeah. Now observe. Here, this is 300 meters. This is every 300 meters. 300 meters. 300 meters. Again, this is also 300 meters. So, initial point was A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F. And every 300 meters, it is turning left 60 degrees, reaching C. Again, this straight line, again 60 degrees, turning left. C to D. Again, this straight line, again turning left 60 degrees, 300. Again, extending this one, turning left 300. Again, extending this line, turning left, reaching the initial point. Clear? This is the hexagon shape. Hexagon is hexagon. Clear? Now, what was the first question? Now, before going into the question, let me give. This is the initial point A to B. After reaching 300 meters, every 300 meters, A to B. This is the first turn. Okay. Then this is second turn. Then this is third turn. Then this is fourth turn. Then this is fifth turn. Then this is sixth turn. Okay. After sixth, again, at the first turn, again it is repeating seventh turn. Okay. Seventh turn. Again, at the point second, it is again eighth turn. So second turn coincides with eighth turn. First turn coincides with the seventh. Yeah. This is the concept. This is hexagon shape. Now observe. What is the first question? First question says at the end of third term. The end of third term. Where is the third term? This is the third term. Yes, third term is this one. At the end of the third. Now distance is required. First one is distance. Distance. What is distance from initial point AB, path length AB, BC, and C up to the D point. Third turn is D point. Up to the D point, path length traveled AB, BC, CD. So AB, BC plus CD. That means 300 plus 300 plus again 300. So 900 meters is the distance. Only path length, only simple addition. A to up to D. Now, second one, what is requires displacement? It requires the displacement. Clear? So second year is interest is displacement. What is the displacement? Shortest distance between initial point A and third ending point is B. If I join these two points, this is the shortest distance. Yeah, AD is the shortest distance. AD is the shortest distance. To find AD, observe. AD I require simple mathematics I am using. To find AD, I am dropping a perpendicular from D to ground AB, base AB. So this is the perpendicular I am. Once I am dropping from D to B perpendicular, ABD is a right angle triangle. ABD is a right angle. Yeah. Now observe. BC is parallel to AD. BC is parallel to AD. When BC is parallel to AD, whatever the angle it is making with this dotted line 60, same angle also here AD makes. BC is parallel to AD. So whatever BC angle 60 degrees is made by horizontal. Same angle AD is also making 60 degrees with horizontal. 60. So ABD is a right angle triangle, and this angle is equal to this angle 60. So in the right angle triangle, I require AD. So triangle ABD, right angle triangle. Okay. Now I require AD. I know only AB 300 meters and angle 60 degrees. So cos theta I take. Cos 60 is what? Adjacent side. AB by hypotenuse AD. AB by AD. AB is what? 300 meters. And AD is unknown. AD is unknown. We want that only AD. Clear? AD is unknown. Okay. Now cross multiply this. This cross multiply. So cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So AD we require AD. So AD is equal to 300 by cos 60. AD is equal to 300 by cos 60. Cos 60 is half. So half it goes in the numerator side, it becomes 2. So 600 meters. Displacement is 600 meters. For the clarity, displacement is 600 meters. So in the triangle ABD, 300, adjacent side we know, hypotenuse we don't know, 60 degrees only we know. Cos 60 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AD. We require AD. AD is AB 300 by cos 60. Cos 60 is half. So hence got just 600. That is the total distance is 900 meters. Total distance is 900 meters. Here, displacement is 600 meters. First step is over. Now we require in the second step, that is at the end of the sixth term. Sixth term is here. At the end of the sixth term. Observe. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. What is the total path length traveled? AB plus BC plus BCD plus DE plus EF plus FE. 6 complete. 6 sides. Second is having 6 sides. 6 into 300. Total path length traveled. Sum up all the things. Displacement. At the end of 6th. Initial point is A. Final point is also A. Initial point, final point are both are coinciding, and displacement is 0. So in the second one, at the end of sixth term, at the end of sixth term, distance traveled is equal. Path length is, what is path length? AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. So all 300, 300, 300, 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300. All are 300 only. 300 plus 300. So 6 into 3, 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 into 3. 1800 meters. This is the distance. Here. Now displacement. Since initial and final points both are coinciding, displacement, same point it is reaching, displacement is 0. Yeah, that was the second. Finally, he requires. This is the figure. Again, I am drawing AB, BC, AB, BC, CD, AB, BC, CD, BE. A, B, C, E, E, F. Yeah. So what is the? This is first turn, second turn, third turn, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. Again, this is 7. This is 8. 8th turn. Okay. Second and 8th turn are coincide. Clear? Now, what does he require? He require at the end of the question, he says, the third one he says, at the end of 8th turn. First, he requires distance. Observe 8th turn. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. Again A to B. Every time it is 300 meters. All are 300. A to B. Again 300. Means how many times? 8 times 300. So total 8 into 300. 2400 meters is the distance. Be careful. A to B. Here I am showing signs. A to B, B to C, C to D, all are 300 meters. D to E, 300 meters. E to F, 300. F to A, again 7th turn, 300 meters. Again up to 8, because 8 we require 300 meters. So all 6 sides completed, again 300, again 300. So 8 times the 300 meters. So this is 2400 meters is the total distance. Now he requires displacement. Displacement at the end of the 8th turn. Now observe carefully. This is A was the initial point. 8th turn, C was the initial point. So join this initial to final. AC bar is the displacement. Displacement is AC bar. Initial to final. Clear? Now observe. This is 60 degrees, isn't it? 60 degrees. Okay. This is 60 degrees. Now, if I draw, I require AC. So simply, if I draw a perpendicular from C to ground, AB extended, this becomes a right angle triangle. Let me give some name, M. So AMC is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, AMC, AMC. AMC is a right angle. AMC is a right angle triangle. Clear? There is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, in the right angle triangle, I require AC. So, AC square, Pythagoras theorem I am applying. AM base square plus MC RCM height square. If we know the two things, that we can easily calculate the AC square. Now, I am highlighting this AMC triangle once again. Clear? This is A, B, C. Now, dotted lines. Dotted lines. This is right angle AMC triangle. Okay. And remember, this is 60 degrees. Year to year is 300 meters. AB is 300 meters. Okay. AB is 300 meters. BC is also 300 meters. Now, observe carefully. In BMC right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, BMC. What is BM? I require BM. To have the BM, cos theta I take. Cos 60 degrees. Adjacent side BM by hypotenuse BC. So cos 60 is half. BM is, we do not know BM. BC, hypotenuse, we know 300. We know the 300. So BM, cos multiply 150 meters. Cos 60 is adjacent side in the BMC right angle triangle, small triangle. BM by BC, adjacent by hypotenuse is BM by BC is cos 60. Cos 60 is half. So BM we do not know. But BC side is given for the hexagon 300 meters. Cross multiply 300 by 2, 150 is the required one. Clear? Similarly, I do not know this CM also. So sin 60, in the same triangle, I take the sin 60. Sin 60, opposite side, CM by hypotenuse BC. Hypotenuse, the BC. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. CM, we don't know. BC, hypotenuse 300 meters. 300 meters. So hence, CM is cross multiplication. Was 150 root 3. 150 root 3. So BM we got, CM we got. Clear? BM we got, CM we got. Okay? Now, BM is, this BM is 150, this CM is 150 root 3. Clear? Again, I am highlighting this triangle. Okay, this is this is A point. Clear? This is B point. This is M. This is C. Clear? So AB is 300 meters. Now BM already we calculated how much it is 150 meters. CM already we calculated 150 root 3 meters. Clear? CM. Now what is AM? AM is AB plus BM. So 300 plus 150, 450 meters. So AM AM is equal to AB plus BM. 300 plus 150 is 450 meters. CM already 150 root. So we require displacement initial point to final point. Initial point A, final point C. Displacement vector is AC bar. We require AC in the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, AMC. AMC, right angle triangle. Clear? So AC square is equal to hypotenuse square. Pythagoras theorem we are using. Base square, BM square. BM. Sorry. This is AM square base AM square plus CM square or MC square. MC square. Clear? AC is equal to square root of AM square plus MC square. So what is AM? AM is 450. So 450 square plus MC. MC is how much? 150 root 3 whole square. And a root is clear. That is AC. Further, you can simplify this. If I simplify further, AC 450 square plus 150 into 150. Root 3 square is 3. So 150 square into 3 square. Yeah. Okay. That was the required. That was the required one, which is asked as the displacement. Which is asked as the displacement. Now I calculate by using the calculator. If I calculate, then it becomes 450 square, 450 square plus 150 square into 3 into 3. Okay. Into 3. It becomes 519.6. 519.6 meters. This is the displacement. Direction is from A to C. Magnitude is 519.6 meters. Is it clear? Very simple fundamentals. By looking at the geometry of the figure, you can make a right angle triangle. From there, hypotenuse is calculated by using Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. Hope you have understood very well. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe. Follow the videos. Those who have not seen the previous videos, they can watch them and practice well. Thank you very much.